this video, I will explain you how to create safety climate survey. First, you need to click add-on, Quillfi form, and then load form template. You can search safety climate survey, and then after you found it, just load selected template. You can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and settings too. Just refresh the page. After that, you can click Quillfi form and get link. You can click continue and then choose your account. Click advance and then go to Quillfi form, and then just click allow. After you get the link like this, just copy this and paste it into your search engine. So now the form is ready to use. You can also change the questions as you want. For example, I insert new row, text, and then for example I use a questions like name, like this, and then it will show like this. You can also change the question type, for example date. Also you can change the question text to date, like this, so the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar, like this. You can also delete the row if you don't want to show it on your form. Also you can change the background color of your form in the settings, so it will change like this. You can also change the style of your title. For example, here I delete the mark behavior, so the title will stuck. Thank you.